So basically what we have here is a home in Snoqualmie area that is relatively new, and when they moved in and had the brackets installed for the drapery, it was not installed to handle the type and of drapery that was put up, mainly on account of its weight. It's a very high quality, heavy drapery, and it fell out of the wall. So what we're going to do is break open the spots where the holes are and go from stud to stud, and then put in a piece of board or wood and create a backer, and then put in new sheetrock, tape, mud, sand, light texture, and paint. And then they will be able to put the brackets back up and screw them into the wood backer board and not have the trouble that they had the first time. That's it. Okay, so we've gone and cut out all of the holes, the 3 holes, and we've exposed about approximately 1/2 of the joists. So yeah, that's it for that part, and we'll be right back. These are going to be a bunch of short segments. Alrighty, so it may be hard to tell, but I framed, I guess I should point, yeah, I framed this inside here. So what I'm going to do next is put this piece in there. Whoops. So yeah, put this piece in there. So it'll be a backer when we can screw in the drapery mounts. Okay, so I got the backing in, secured. Should probably hold this up closer from now on. I think I did it the last time around. So yeah, I got the backing in, and I'm getting ready to put the sheetrock, which will be back then. So I got the sheetrock up in there, screwed in. I got it cleaned up around the edges, and getting ready to tape and put the first coat of plaster on it. See you later. So I put the tape on. I found an extra thin type of tape that I've never used before. It's supposed to be 1/3 less thick, 33% thinner than the standard mesh tape, and I'm getting ready to put the first coat of plaster on. We'll see you then. So yeah, there we go. 3 coats of plaster, and I would have to say that this isn't something that I do all the time, but I have done it over the last 30+ years, and to be completely honest with you, this is about the best plastering job I've ever done. Through the microphone of humility and gratitude, not of ego. Anyhow, This is the Hippy Dippy PC painting and painting related services company. Healthy painting. Anyhow, that's it. I guess we're gonna wait till it dries up and come back on the weekend and sand it down a little bit, texturize it, paint it, and help her hang up the curtains. Have a great week. So yeah, what I've done is gone in here and taped up the tops of these windows. This is the third coat of plaster dried. Taped up put some paper on there, and also set up this plastic across the room, so that way I can get in there and sand everything and texture before I finish it off. So yeah, on the account of the way I had everything plasticated, that's not any kind of a word. I had plastic on everything and everything. I couldn't really, well, I didn't get the pictures that I wanted to of the texturing, but you can see it up on the paper there, up on the ceiling. And in the corner here, and on the top of the window. That's from the spray texture. So I sanded it all, wiped it all down, spray textured it like 2 or 3 times, twice, 3 times in some spots. I let that dry, and then I primed it. So I pulled down the plastic, and I'm getting ready to clean up and then paint the whole thing one last time, and then help her hang the curtain rod. So that's that. So yeah, that's it. It's done. Painted everything. Client is very happy. Very happy is good. And that's it. Thank you. See you in the next job.